Yeah, still the lyricist, vocabulary physicist. Melody Michelangelo will paint the graphic images. Get a condom for your ears because that tune.
Hold on. Did he just say me have a condom for your ears? Because that tune shot like syphilis. You see me that here? Me never hear them something there. Boom! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss! And I'm back with another Addy reaction / review, whatever you want to call it. Right now, I start something new for this week. And I start for the end of the week then, because right now, a Wednesday right now. So we have 3 more days in the week. Today I one, I count today as 1. And we have Thursday and Friday. And right now, we're going to react to the whole of the lyricist them. The whole of them. So we start with that one, part 1. Lyricist, part 1. And then I say, this is some lyrics. The reason why I do this too, it was recommended by someone who commented under Sociopath. You understand? Because I reference that to like Sociopath around that song, like it's like a part 1 and part 2 song. They kind of sound the same flow, have the same flow. Someone say, you know what? I'm gonna check about them songs. So you know so that me I gonna do right now. Let me say so whatever the fans them say more while I'm just say, yeah, you know what? Well the viewers them, not calling the fans, the viewers them say, yo, that them what? And that we gonna do. So you messing them man more to like the video right now. I go for 100 likes on the video. I will reach 10,000 subscribers. So please subscribe, comment on this video to see your comment over there. So in the next video I'm gonna post. In the next lyricist video I'm gonna post tomorrow. And you see me I make some video in advance for tonight. And I mean some of you okay and some friend that reaction. You don't know a chap already. Anyway, so we're going for lyricist right now. Run through.
Can't see, you see your friend Kartel
run out the lyrics.
You, watch your temperature, man. You need for cool down.
Until this day, voilà. Until this day, I don't know who them man they say that a while ago. But a big one meds me know. You must say, can't say and see your friend Kartel. Who that? Until this day, I really don't know who them man they say that a while ago. Tell me who. I know someone probably know already. Cut a phone, chop a phone. You see me? I don't really follow them something like that. I don't know who say that. But we see Russian and we see who that. I know that's one they eat. I see the same thing. I know that. Run through.
Lyricist around us. Lyricist what? What you mean?
The man there.
Lyrically inclined.
So what them implying? The teacher have to sing line. DJ not in that mind. Cock up your nose with the stink crime.
The man say every name stink. So what them inclined? The teacher have a stink crime. What? The teacher have the you know simplification like all to this them can't sing it for real now. People know them say word for word now. So what them inclined? The teacher have a sing. Cock up and all this thing, crime and the kill kind, you kill like sentences in Kingston and say, roll out, we make kickers, a boxer, making can't feel kind. No boy won't get me up because the man of patience. Yeah, no, don't know what to do, so I'm going to catch it, dog.
Crime are the king crime, but wicked like St. James and Kingston and St. Catherine crime. Roll out with the shooters, the kill time, no boxers, Calvin Klein.
Oh, box, like the man say, roll out, we shooters, we king crime. Nah, when you forget it, dog, look at it, you see the song? You know, so what I probably know the verse, like word for word. Me not word for word. This is me I say, but me I say, yo. When I see the song and you sing it together, you sound good, trust me. But turn off it, stop playing the song and sing by yourself. You sound like a whole jump and I good on the hill right now. You understand me? But me I get it now. I get it. Levels like I got you.
No boy want get me out for reach the big time. Me sleep and wake up and them still trying.
Right.
You know,
no boy want get me up. No boy want get me out for the hill climb. Roll on that, them man have patience. More you said that. I if you get it, I'm not ramp to them. Not ramp him. Sure, I treat the Kartel, a Kartel song, a legendary Kartel song. Everybody's supposed to know that. Like, I treat the UK reaction down me and do that. You know what I Bill Tyrekejt can listen to the man.
Incline. No boy want get me out for reach the big time. Me sleep and wake up.
No boy get me for reach the what? The peak what? Captions unavailable. No boy want get me for reach the peak kind. You know what? Fuck it, yeah, man. Me give up. Listen to the tune.
Them still trying. You don't have no patience. Mash up your clock and try to kill time. But me
still a lyricist.
Vocabulary physicist.
Oh, see there? How many say vocabulary physicist? But this is when I sing the song with the man now. I'm not gonna say vocabulary. This is what I'm gonna say. Listen. But
the lyricist, vocabulary physicist. Melody Michelangelo will paint the graphic images. Get a condom for your ears because that tune a shot like syphilis.
Hold on. Me I raise it dog. Man say, yo, what the title? Hey, give me this. That tune a shot like syphilis. I'm the boy, I'm the manager. Alex Ferguson and you know that, Tyrekejt. This is the man that I can start from back like and put the thing that run show no man. Just start. Me feel shame now, but I don't know the song word for word. Jano, run show Tyrekejt.
Me still the lyricist, vocabulary physicist. Melody Michelangelo will paint the graphic images. Get a condom for your ears because that tune.
Hold on. Did he just say me have a condom for your ears? Because I try and shot like syphilis. You see me that here? Me never hear them something there. They want some of a condom for your ears. Because I try and shot like syphilis. I can't put it on my dog. But Buckley, I never know a man say that. Me see, I go to some come and listen to that song again. I must have a condom for your ears because I try and shot like syphilis. This is some more song.
Shot like syphilis for the title. Hey, give me this. Empire is the wickedest. I'm the baller, I'm the manager. Alex Ferguson, I'm baby this. Me stay in front like Genesis. Yes, who want to penny this?
I'm saying about Genesis. Hold on, run back. I'm the man, I'm the manager. Alex Ferguson. Me hear him say after that. You see, I don't know why me can't just listen to things that I miss that get one straight time. Look how long I say. Them saying coming from their high school, brother. Buckley, me shame. Alright, listen now.
Me find the metaphors where Jay-Z them and beginnings and char them up like Winterfresh.
And spit them out like Wrigley's.
Me hat, me touch green grass,
make it catch fire.
Someone the thugs me see through them like mesh wire.
The man say, my hat him touch green grass, make it catch fire. You find the symbolism. Find what Jay-Z them as. I remember all the Bob Buckley. Damn, dog. I want to be to. Something wrong with this man, you know. Something wrong with me, dog. When I feel say I understand me, feel me know the song, you know. Cause I know that song, you know, brother. I sing that song half beat already, dog. A long time ago still. What is it me I say? Without an instrument, I'm singing that song. Why me can't sing the Bob Buckley song now? I want to go on. I want You know, heard true, Tyrekejt.
Yes, I am. Them license expire. Me rub them out like me Benz tire. Me meds higher than angel pan heaven's fire. Burn them with the hell's fire.
The man say meds higher than angel. Well, you see me say, man just said it a while ago. Remember the man said meds higher than angel pan what? John was star, dog. Something wrong with me today, dog. Something wrong with me today.
Yes, I am. Them license expire. Me rub them out like me Benz tire. Me meds higher than angel pan heaven's fire. Burn them with
the man say meds higher than angel pan heaven's prayer. Hey, check it out, you know. You know, I'm standing right now. I see me in my jack lyrics and flow, see me in the dog. I'm telling you, you know, I'm react to social party. The man never does put the word them together because them sound good. You know? Put them together because they relate to each other, what I must say. That me say same thing in a social party reaction, I say the same thing right now in a reaction too. A good thing me come across that song. I try my song when I drive go out later that come. I say, oh, I know the Bob Buckley song that. One more song word for word. Run tune.
Hell's fire, prostitute and virgin have in common. Empire, them all coming on my bed to cool the temperature. Them entire.
Hold on. So did he just say prostitute and the virgins them have embedded in common because them want to go in a film institute? That him just saying, no? A prostitute and virgin have in common. Empire. And this is empire, Gaza empire, you know. They want to go in and bed. So both prostitute and virgins want to go in a film bed. Bumblecleat! Alright. Me never know that, dog. And tune.
Them linger here, chunky gal, needle and syringe here. Christian gal, ginger beer, Rasta gal, we injure here. Me flow like the don't cable, me don't cable.
Hold on, what I'm saying about them girls a while ago? I'm saying what them want to drink? Because me say Christian gal with ginger beer. Remember that part there? Hold on. A long time I heard the song. When I first with me now, don't beat me up in that comment section, please. Don't beat me up, dog. Let's come into the favorite verse. And the favorite line from the song, I should say. Not verse, the favorite line from the song. And then I say, yeah. Don't beat me up though. Listen to what I'm saying now.
We injure here. Me flow like the don't cable, me no fable, no nights of the take my advice like it's like beer. Take my advice dear. The boy them bite me style, get them so craving. Them coming like the big fat gal with so raving.
No team. I saw the laugh coming. I want the laugh coming, dog. You remember when the laugh come, but the laugh coming sometime recent to that, after that song come out. Before I tell them I care like dog here. Anyways. Ready now, I'm jumping in the second verse right now, so I'm going for the second verse. You see me and say? Run tune.
Me and the Portmore pioneer. Me and my woman the for 9 years. Not try that my dear. Me and you make a nice.
So right now, my woman the for 9 years. That song come out 9 years ago. Can me check it a while ago. So that them still there. It'll be 18 years. Our relationship the long the blood clot. 9 years is a long time anyways. Anyways, me chat too much. Listen to the rest of the tune. Man, I want to go on to the dog. Run tune, damn. Why am I half cute? Why am I so half cute to the dog? Wait, man.
Fear. Take my advice dear. Get it out of your head like lies here. Me loving her forever. If life's fear. They don't know me Afghanistan. You only know me Times Square.
The man say you don't know me Afghanistan. You only know me Times Square. You must have get it off your head. Because what?
You see me in the Benz, changing 5 gear. I drink street vibes like it's like beer. On private jet, me fly Lear. Adidas, no Nike here. Me skin paint up like bike flare.
Adidas, no Nike, my skin paint up like life. What? Yo, but that, my name stop me to sing that. The man say Adidas, no Nike, my skin paint up like. What, Adi? What the bomb clock, dog? Too bad, dog.
To take the bus and can't find fear. Just slag off with the virus, me have spyware. The way my brain fertile, America won't invade and drill for eye here.
What? The man say him bomb clock, but when I say take the bus with no fear. Voila.
End up like bike flare. Back at the easy street, you know the Elm Street, the nightmare. The days when me used to take the bus and can't find fear. Just slag off with the virus, me have spyware. The
man say lock off with the virus. The man have spyware. Like Corona, you know what I do? Lock off with the virus. At least in manager walk down place. Run what's up. Massive lock off with the virus. You have spyware. Say I talk to Corona from before Corona even come in existence. Hey, I did bad no blood clean now. Why am I take up yourself on my head, brother? Bumbo clean now. I need to listen to song them in the damn. When I ask them and tell me I do the reaction back again. A long time I listen to them, that's why I really met them. I remember the lyrics them, dog. Because everyone is supposed to know them singing word for word, dog. Every single body, dog. I mean, what to me, dog. Run through.
way my brain fertile, America won't invade and drill for eye here. They can't see. Them boy they
And Nancy.
Them and Nancy. Me lyrics wear them out like a Yancy.
No man say the lyrics wear them out like a Ganzi. You see me? I mean, yo, if you no bumbo clock, try mess with the man I say. When I get weird, when I get tired, I can't mess at it. But I feel, you know, if you don't have it there, wrap up there, man. Yo, if the video take too much over my place, me now post it a blood clean. Run through no Tyrekejt.
Them shaming at the crowd and every man see. Them fans give them thumbs down. Me a thugs and them a Bugs Bunny. Me flow like the
Me a talk and them a Bugs Bunny. Them fans give them thumbs down. Them shaming at the crowd and them don't see. Me flow like me don't nibble. Run through the next.
table. Them boy bad gal them so raven. Nah, it's just a reminder to the face. Me flow like the town cable.
Yeah, me I say, big up on yourself, dog. Hopefully every day then all over the place. If it all over the place, me nah post it. If it is, not wait, where you go? If it don't all over the place, me nah. If it all over the place, me nah post it. If it all over the place, what? If it all over the place, me nah post it. If it is not all over the place, me will post it. The bumbo clip, me hire some Jado, me must hire. You know, me soon later, yeah, man. I do a part 2, dog. Part few. Sorry, Jado. I'm out.